Let us try to remember 5 very important formulas of stereochemistry. Formula number 1. Number of stereoisomers for a compound with n different chiral centers is equal to 2 to the power of n. Suppose n is equal to 1, then number of stereoisomers will be 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. If the compound contains 2 different chiral centers, then number of stereoisomers will be 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. If 3 different chiral centers are there, then 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. If 4 different chiral centers are there in any chiral molecule, then 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Point to be noted that this formula is not applicable at all for the compounds having identical chiral centers. I mean, it is some symmetry is there. Now let us come to the second important formula, optical rotation. Alpha observed is equal to alpha into L into C. This formula is popularly known as Biot's law, where alpha observed is equal to observed optical rotation in polarimeter instrument, and the alpha within square bracket is known as a specific rotation at temperature T and wavelength. Means if temperature and the wavelength differ, then specific rotation will change. L is equal to path length of the sample tube in decimeter, and C is the concentration of the solution in grams per ml. Let us come to the third formula, enantiomeric excess. Enantiomeric excess is abbreviated as EE. The formula EE is equal to percentage of major enantiomer minus percentage of minor enantiomer. And point to be noted that enantiomeric excess is equal to 0 for racemic mixture, and enantiomeric excess is equal to 100 for one pure enantiomer. And in extension of this formula, we can calculate the percentage of major enantiomer is equal to enantiomeric excess plus 100 divided by 2, and the percentage of minor enantiomer is equal to 100 minus enantiomeric excess by 2. Now coming to the fourth formula, that is optical purity OP is equal to enantiomeric excess, and by using this formula we can calculate enantiomeric excess for any solution. Enantiomeric excess is equal to observed optical rotation alpha observed divided by rotation of pure enantiomer alpha pure into 100. Now this alpha observed value will be obtained by measuring in polarimeter instrument, and enantiomeric excess can also be calculated from NMR spectrum if this enantiomeric relationship can be converted into the diastereomeric relationship by chiral derivatizing agent, by chiral shift reagent, or by chiral solvating agent. And in that case, enantiomeric excess is equal to intensity major minus intensity minor divided by intensity major plus intensity minor into 100, where I stands for the intensity, means the height of the S curve of the NMR signal. Now come to the last but not the least important formula. Diastereomeric excess DE is equal to concentration of the major diastereomer minus concentration of minor diastereomer divided by concentration of major plus concentration of minor into 100. In this case, we are calculating diastereomeric excess, so major and the minor are related to the diastereomer, not related to enantiomer.